Can you solve these tricky riddles? I'm always hungry, I must always be fed. The finger I touch will soon turn red. What am I? Answer is fire. Why do leopards never escape from the zoo? Because they are always spotted or have distinctive spots on their fur, making it easy for zookeepers to identify them and prevent their escape. I'm the beginning of sorrow and the end of sickness. You cannot express happiness without me, yet I am in the midst of crosses. What am I? The letter S. What start with the letter T, is filled with T and ends in T? A teapot. A father's child, a mother's child, yet no one son. Who am I? A daughter. I am the sweetest and most romantic fruit. What am I? Strawberry. Strawberries are often associated with sweetness and romance, making them a popular choice for romantic desserts and occasions like Valentine's Day. I'm the beginning of the end and the end of time and space. I'm essential to creation, and I surround every place. What am I? The letter E. It is the beginning of the word end, the end of the word time, and it's essential in the word creation. If you like the video, please like, share and subscribe.